Automotive technology is advancing faster than a speeding car on the Autobahn. Consider all of the components that are now powered by your car battery. Start-stop for better fuel efficiency, Wi-Fi, GPS, DVD players, alarms, power doors and windows, interior lights and outlets, remote starters, heated seats, and remote assistance, to name a few. More gadgets mean we can take more comforts from home on the road, but they also take a toll on your battery and shorten its life. There is one battery technology that will keep pace, a battery with AGM technology. What makes AGM, or Absorbent Glass Mat batteries, the smart choice and the best value begins with how it's made. Longer life in high temperatures. Every component is precision engineered and built to last, starting with our reinforced polypropylene composite case, which is designed to hold cell compression under the most extreme conditions, offering superior vibration resistance and up to twice the life of standard batteries. Non-spillable, maintenance-free, and one of the safest batteries on the market. Unlike flooded batteries with reservoirs of acid, the acid in an AGM battery is absorbed by the glass mat separators. AGM batteries are safer and non-spillable, even if the case is cracked. AGM technology provides ultimate performance by delivering deeper doses of power to recharge faster, even at a low state of charge. The positive and negative grids are a patented power frame stamped grid technology, providing superior cranking power with better electrical flow than other grids. The grid design is optimized for current flow, which sends more power to the post. The proprietary paste accepts charges quicker, so the battery recharges faster. The exclusive valve assembly design maintains positive pressure and is a self-contained closed environment. No water addition is needed. Any pressure buildup from overcharging is released safely, and then the valve reseals. Our AGM batteries are made to meet or exceed OE specifications and are the smart choice for virtually any vehicle, including vehicles with start-stop technology, diesel applications, luxury vehicles with power-hungry accessories, vehicles with aftermarket accessories that tend to drain the battery, rough road and congested city driving. AGM technology will power the vehicles of the future and is the better battery for today's vehicles.